After completing the 3 steps to create your basic profile for your Facebook page, you will be directed to your welcome screen of your Facebook page. At the top of the screen, you will be asked to complete your sign-up process by going to your email address, opening up the email that was sent to you by Facebook, and then clicking on the link verifying that this is in fact a valid email address and that you are the owner of that email address. Again, this is just ensuring that there's always a valid address and person associated with the Facebook accounts. Once you've validated and completed the sign-up process, that message will no longer appear at the top of the screen. The next thing that we want to do after we complete the sign-up process is we want to look around this Facebook page to see how it is laid out and some of the options that are available to us. On the left-hand side, below the blue bar, again which shows Facebook, is your basic navigation for different areas and things that you could utilize Facebook for. Again, you're currently at the welcome screen, and you'll notice that it is in light blue. Below that, you have a couple very basic options that allow you to see information that you post to the Facebook page for others to see, and that information that they post to their pages that would then also be shown on your screen so that you could again keep in touch with your family and friends. Below that, you have options to send messages back and forth to a single person for a little bit more of a private type of conversation with the individual. You have the ability to set up events and invite people to attend those events, to add photos to your Facebook page and to look at those photos, and also to find friends. So we'll go through some of those things here in a few minutes. To the right of that navigation section, again, is the main part of the Facebook page where you'll be doing most of your interaction and time while you're utilizing Facebook. And that information to the right will change depending on what you've selected from the left navigation section. Currently, the right-hand side of the Facebook page, since we're new to Facebook, is just giving us a little bit of welcome information and the ability to potentially find more friends using our email address. It will talk a little bit about the privacy settings, and as we scroll down this page using the scroll bar on the far right-hand side of the page, you'll be able to see some more options. Again, to use the scroll bar, you have the option of utilizing it with a click and drag method utilizing the mouse, or by clicking on the up or down arrow of the scroll bar to move up or down that screen. If we want to quickly see what is a little bit lower on this welcome page, again, we could take our mouse arrow over to the gray bar of the scroll bar. We could click and hold down our left mouse button. As we're holding down our left mouse button, as we move the mouse down, we will be able to see more information on this page. Again, options to potentially add profile pictures, and also options to potentially add friends that might be associated or with either, again, the schools that we selected or potentially our employers. Again, this is being generated as potential recommendations of friends and people that we might know by the information that we put in our basic profile. Again, so we have the ability to look through that list, and again, once we have some friends selected and add those to our Facebook page, again, we'll be able to share information back and forth. So as we're scrolling back up and down the screen, again, you'll see all the different options that are available on this Facebook page. The other thing I want to point out is in the blue bar, you do have some information. Again, that'll take us to your timeline, which we'll explain here in a few minutes. Again, so you could see some information again that your friends have been posting and that you have posted. And again, you'll have other options to find friends or to return to the starting page. On the left-hand side of the screen, you also have the area that would typically show your picture if you selected one. It'll have your name, and it'll give you a link to edit your profile. And again, we'll go into that in just a few moments. But again, that would give you the ability to add some more information to your Facebook page. Again, potentially like your marriage status, or if you're in a relationship and so on. Also, some more information about your hobbies and things that were really unique to yourself, again, which people might be interested in seeing as they're looking at your information on your Facebook page. Again, anytime we can go back and edit that information by using this link on the left-hand side that says Edit Profile. You notice that your mouse arrow will turn into a hand, indicating that this is something that you could click on And again, then you could use your left mouse button to click and select that option.